Ever wondered how important predictive maintenance might be in preventing catastrophic infrastructure failures? It's essentially a crystal ball in the world of infrastructure management, a game-changing approach that can prevent the unthinkable. Predictive maintenance leverages the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to anticipate and address potential problems before they morph into full-blown disasters. It's not merely about servicing equipment or patching up structural weaknesses. It's about applying advanced algorithms that can detect patterns, analyze data, and predict equipment failure or structural issues. The dangers of neglecting maintenance are many and dire. We're talking about equipment failure, safety hazards, and hefty repair costs. But with predictive maintenance, these can be avoided. It's about more than just averting disaster. It's about optimizing performance, enhancing safety, and saving resources. In essence, predictive maintenance isn't just about fixing things before they break. It's about foreseeing issues and taking proactive steps to prevent them. Remember the Oroville Dam crisis in 2017, one of the most expensive infrastructure failures in U.S. history? In February of that year, the Oroville Dam in California, the tallest in the United States, became a ticking time bomb. The dam's main and emergency spillways, designed to safely redirect overflow, were damaged due to heavy rainfall. The main spillway developed a massive gaping hole, and the emergency spillway, a last resort measure, threatened to collapse under the strain of the deluge. This was not just a structural crisis, but a human one too. Over 180,000 people living downstream were ordered to evacuate immediately, not knowing when they would return or what they would find when they did. The crisis was not only an engineering nightmare, but also a stark wake-up call about the importance of predictive maintenance in infrastructure. In the aftermath, investigations revealed that this disaster could have been avoided. The dam's infrastructure was aging, and signs of distress had been apparent.